What up YouTube, we got ourselves another unboxing. Decided to pick this up. This is a discounted deal. This is for the FiFine technology. Ordered this thing in black and received this thing in pink. Which is quite nice. So the reason I bought this thing, need like an extra little spare little microphone, and decided, hey, why not? And didn't think I was gonna get something in pink, but why not? Anyway, this is the if you're looking online, seeing what this thing looks like, it's this small little condenser microphone that plugs in by a USB. Cover there on the USB port, so the USB 2.0 port, and then inside in the packaging you've got yourself the instruction guide. This is what I ordered, the black one. I thought the black one would be nice, and that's what I ordered, but I got the pink one. I guess, you know, we'll colour it in. Can't be asked to send it back and get a replacement. Simple instructions. It does include this little mount there as well. So inside this little packaging has this thing here, which just screws on like this, and this is basically your tripod that you just use whenever. So I wanted something small, easy to carry around, and there's a good little condenser microphone for doing podcasts later on in the future. And this is what it is. Simple little volume button here as well, you know, left and right. Nothing major, no other buttons, but then hopefully this does the job. Anyway, this is a quick unboxing for the FiFine technology, model number K669 B. This was not B, this is black, this is just K669. But yeah, check what you're ordering, because you may get a pink one like I did. Anyway, this is a little quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. As always, this has been Ace. Peace out.